sorry for the mess up again. Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we are going to show you that I got some toys, and one I opened already and one I didn't. So here is one I didn't open it yet, and I'm gonna shoot it right now. So right there, okay? Here it is. It's just a little gun. Just have to push this one back and shoot it. There, they stick to glass, so I'm gonna shoot at you. Oh, are you okay, guys? Okay, whatever. Now I'm gonna shoot it there. Ready? It doesn't stick to the wall. Okay. You probably didn't see that, I think, because it went really fast. So there's another holder here. You can take it out. Comes with 6 bullets. And so the coolest big gun I have here is the So this is Extreme Air Max 10 Busby toys. So it's like this big gun. See, there's a guy right here having a lot of fun. So basically, this is a gun that you load it, and it gives you pressure. And the more times you load it, the harder it shoots. So this is the back of the box. I'm gonna tell you what it says here. So on this side, there are other different kinds of guns. This is the one. Wait a minute. No, this is different. It kind of looks like mine, but no. See here, it's different. There's this sniper and this. I don't know what this is. So, here it says. It says here the steps, and let's open up box. I don't know how to open it. So okay, I'm gonna open my hands without any scissors, guys. You can open this without any scissors. Maybe you can. Maybe you can't. So okay. Yeah, fuel. Okay, so okay, guys, sorry that it's taking so long. Okay, I did it. Here, these are these colors. This guy. Blue. Oh, we got it out. Gonna need that. So here, open here. This really be like these instead of the other. So, sorry that takes so long. But we got one out. Yes! We got this side out. Finally. So, here we're opening this side up, and here, and here. Yes! We got it! We got it, guys. Oh no. Did it. So here is the gun. It's really light. It's not that big, but it's okay. It's good size. So here are the bullets. I didn't mention them to you guys. Maybe you saw them. There are 10 bullets. There are 10. Oh. So there are black and yellow. Black and yellow. They stick to glass like this iPhone. So I'm taking them out. So we don't need this. So there's the bullets. And so here is the gun. It's really nice. I really like the handle. It's really cool. So let's load up the bullets. Okay, let's do it faster. Two more bullets. So here it is with the bullets in. So we're gonna pump it up, and wow, that was super strong. Again, we have to change it, and that's really loud. It's really powerful, and that's pretty much it for this gun. Bye.